Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Do I sound excited? Because I'm excited. This is my 14 by 14 inch canvas. This is my Mayan black paint. I am going to do a swipe as long as I can get that thing out of there. That 2-inch long thing. Must be some Floetrol. I'm going to grab a Good Grips OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Move some of my paint back so I can actually maneuver here. Don't confuse the Aussie Floetrol cell activator with the Mayan paint. Same size bottle. Probably that was not a good idea on my part, but at least I labeled them. So once I get a reasonable layer down, I'm going to take my Chantilly lace and put a bunch of puddles and then figure out how I'm going to apply, and I think it's going to be my spatula, how I'm going to apply the cell activator. And I have a bunch. I have a gold one that really had a mistake in it, so I still use it. It's the same weight as the others, but I like to mix it with the orange cell activator, which is Aussie Floetrol, and goodbye thing that does not belong, and unicorn spit, please go away thing that does not belong. I should find my tweezers. Actually, I know right where my tweezers are. So I can't see any canvas except for right there, and I don't think that's going to be an issue because I'm going to be swiping toward that anyway. Hopefully the Mayan black will be back on my Amazon link. I'm going to wipe that off on my Low-Liffy silicone mat. Low-Liffy? Never get that right. And move along to the Chantilly lace. This is not possible. Okay, I can't have a clog right now. That's just all there is to it. So we're just gonna puddle. Dribbles don't even matter at this point. Randomness is gonna be helpful, I think. That looks like we're getting close to enough. I kind of like the dots. Kind of feel like I just made a painting again. I kind of want to unplug this right now in case I need more. Get a skewer and see if that helps. It may or may not. But because there's Vivid Polypore in the Prism Pours coupon under the video, by the way, then it's always a good idea to keep them closed. That is the Mayan gold, which I don't think I can have too much of no matter what I do. And because I love my pinks, I'm going to go for pink diamond. Let's give it a bit of a shake. I don't think I need much of it. I used some claret last time and it was just a little too dark. I see that thing that does not belong in there. I'm not sure if it's my imagination or an actual thing that does not belong. But I still want to use some poinsettia. I did say there was a coupon code for 20% off Colour Arte underneath the video, right? If I didn't, I am now. I want to mix it up. I want to put some... No, that's not what I grabbed. That is what I grabbed, but that's not what I was expecting to grab. This is some frozen. This is some blue velvet. This is some Twilight Orchid. It would be if I'd let it out. Oh yeah, that's good. I think that's leading me to think I might want some African Violet as well, which I have right here. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. And I'm going to go and get a little down and get funky in the peacock direction. And use some lighter colors, which is the frosted berry. That's not open. It is now. I've got some true silver. I'm not sure if that's a good idea or not. I'm kind of inclined more toward Northern Sky than true silver. But I'll try it, why not? It's all just going to go wherever it wants, willy-nilly. I made up a color from Tuscan Sun and some orange unicorn spit. And hopefully we don't get too many fugly mixes. It's always a risk. I said I wanted some Northern Sky, and I'm going to use it. Am I? Maybe I'm not. Yes, I am. It's time to make some more, evidently. Try not to clean my paint chips off over the canvas. That is not coming out. Why are you not coming out? Okay, we'll deal with that in a little bit. So I have crumbles on my fingers and I'm crumbling them off. A desire to use some of my magenta, which is golden, and Aussie Floetrol, and some of my unicorn spit and Aussie Floetrol. It's golden. I mean, it's orange unicorn spit and Aussie Floetrol. And here's some gold. And also a little black, which I kind of feel like maybe I should have used the white, but that's okay, because we're just going for it. And if I actually allowed myself to leave some negative space, that would be okay too. And around and around and around I go, knocking things over as I go. I'm going for the white next. And I'm going to put it right on top of that. Those colors that I should put in my scrape dish. And yes, I did. I just cleaned my spatula right off on the edge of the canvas. And I'll do it again. Now, before I get rid of all that black space, negative space, which I could, I thought I would try and drag some colors through and see how I like the difference in the texture. And I haven't made up my mind yet. I like stripes. I think that might be kind of obvious thing to say. I never do tilt these, and I kind of think I should sometime. I suppose I could do it in a different direction. I didn't get any cells over there. That's bizarre, because I have quite a few cells over here. So we should swipe that again. With the red and the orange. Come out. Whoops. Wow. Okay. I'm going to use my scrape dish this time. Oh, now we've got some cells. Good. I wish I had a pink. I should make a pink. I'm going to start with some white. I'm going to scrape off my my spatula a little bit better. I know people like to use palette knives, but I really like my spatula. There's the white. I haven't used nearly enough purple. I have things too close to my swiping zone. I'm really hooked on that orange. So that's purple, white, gold, and orange. The gold is the one that works, has iridescent gold. That's the most fluid of the bunch. And there's my colors I've left again. And I can see down to canvas, so I'm definitely going to have to make adjustments for that. If I scrape off my spatula on the edge, I get a little more color. I kind of want to blow into that. I could have put some black in there, I suppose. I am inclined. Do I dare? Can I? No. Oh, I like those little dots. And I like the little, I like the splash line. I wonder if that'll do the same thing with the white. That's very cool. Excuse me. Well, it worked with the white too. That just makes me want to do it with the orange. Let's do a little bit. Can't be the end of the world. Not as much. Let's keep trying it though. Let's do the, where should I do the magenta? I can't really do it where I want to because I like these marks here. That's where I was thinking about it. I do like dipping into some colors and using them along the edge. And I do like all of that. And I like the cells and I like the patterns. I guess I want to do some of this right here. You know what? I need something else there first. And I love that blue. So let's spread that blue around first. I just put that straw down. It's in my hand. Okay. Yeah. I think I'm going to adjust that up a little and down. Oh, I like that blue right there. But I guess I thought I would anyway. I don't like that canvas showing. So, what should I tell you? I should tell you that I appreciate your thumbs up. This is an interesting combination. And if it doesn't go far enough, I'm going to make an adjustment. Just going to pounce my spatula a few places and call it good, because that is exciting. I wonder if I can shimmer that at you, and I will try. Turn my phone on, see if I can get in position. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. How much fun is that? Let's see if I can get my bottles out of the way so I can spin this around and give you a zoom in. I love the little bits of black negative space showing through. I love the exceptional and extraordinarily cool cells. Really cool. Score. Let's go in here. Let's go all the way in here. I'm trying the up and down method because I want to show you the shimmer and I don't know how it works, but sometimes I've noticed while I'm trying. That's a really weird little mark. I don't mind that it's there, but I sometimes have a problem when things are staring at me. Oh, come on back. Thank you. I accidentally turned my light out. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And I suppose, you know what? I have a skewer. There's nothing to keep me from dragging a few things through anything. I'm not sure what you can see because you're probably really close. This is just getting prettier and prettier and prettier by the moment. Although it's a little off center. All right, what was I telling you guys? I love you. I have 2 books, volumes 1 and 2, and they're on the link tree underneath. They're on the link tree on the Amazon link. Ooh, these cool cells coming out where that white cell activator was. And those little feathery fingers where the black ones are. Oh, that Mayan gold is the bomb. This is beautiful. And I will be using some of these techniques to make some really surreal landscapes, I'm pretty sure. That was pretty much my plan. It kind of looks like one to me right now. All right, what can I tell you guys? Hopefully I don't run out of time. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments and kind words. Keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations through PayPal that keep me painting at you and bringing you new tutorials on YouTube. If you'd like to be included in the monthly drawing, a donation through PayPal will get you an invitation. The PayPal icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and the link is on the link tree. The link tree also has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has links to Fine Art America, Pixels.com, Society 6, my Legalerist clothing, most of which are also on the link tree, so that makes that simple. I do sell my artwork, and if you are interested in making a purchase, make a note of the hashtag. If you need the paint pouring recipe, it is below Show More. Yeah, I'm doing that. You don't need a big black hole at the one corner. So, she said as she noticed, there's a big black hole at the other corner. I have some paint in my dish, and I can use it on my skewer and just add it. Alright, I love you guys dearly. My email address is below the link tree. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I love you guys immensely, and you inspire the heck out of me. Please, if you have questions, feel free to ask. Look for my community board for tomorrow's video, and know that I have over 2,400 videos, and if you need some link that you can't find, I have them organized by topic, genre, and on playlists. And if you go to my channel and look for playlists, all playlists, created playlists, you will find a bunch of different playlists. But if you can't find what you're looking for, just mention it to me. The clothing under the video is mine and can be added to. If you can't find what you're looking for, please just ask. I can add things to Legalerist. I can add things to Spring. That's the one under there. And Fine Art America and Pixels.com. Also, Society 6 is the bomb for all kinds of great stuff. Also in the link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links also. I love you guys. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell. I want to turn that other light out, because it looks prettier without it. I wish you could see how gorgeous this is in person. It just doesn't, the monitor just doesn't do it justice. Woohoo! Rainbow explosion. Alright, bye for now. I love you guys. See you anon. 7 days a week, noon and midnight. Bye for now. Eastern Standard Time. See you. I love you. Much.